Hi, my name is Caryn Sher and I'm currently with Dr. Opperman. I have been having the testosterone and hormone treatment. I'm happy to share some of my findings over the past 2 months. I have really felt so much more energy. I'm sleeping far better and a definite increase in libido. The breakthrough for me is actually the sleeping, in that I've been on sleeping tablets for the last 20 years and I've tried several times to get off them with no success. But happy to say that this has now happened and I'm not sleeping with sleeping tablets anymore. The increase in energy is really helping. I was finding that I could hardly get through a day without feeling tired and having to lie down, and that is not happening anymore. So all in all, just feeling a whole lot better.